How to add song to your playlist in Amazon Music. To add song to your playlist in Amazon Music, first of all, make sure that you have a premium account or that you have an Amazon Music subscription. Only then you can begin with this procedure. So then to begin with, launch to your Amazon account or your Amazon Music account, and then go to your profile icon if you're using your Amazon account, and over here go to your account and click on membership and subscription. After that, and get an access of your Amazon Music. After you're logged into your Amazon Music account, you need to browse or search for the song that you want to add it to your playlist. As soon as you find a song or music, click on the three dot icon next to it. After that, click on add to playlist and choose the playlist you want to add or where you actually want to add. So the song will be added to your playlist. Now do the same procedure for rest of the other music that you wish to add it to your playlist, and accordingly that is how you can add music to your playlist. In this way you can add music or song to your Amazon playlist. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.